Guys, welcome to Mirvata's kitchen. Today I'm gonna make pizza dough for Bosnian pita dough, actually, not pizza, pita, Bosnian pita. For that we need the flour. This is like approximately 700 grams. I need salt, like teaspoons. And I need warm water. Now I'm gonna put slowly water and I'm going to mix. I already did in my other videos, but for those who didn't watch, they can watch now. If they're interesting to make. But this dough you can use for something else. It's not just for pita. Important is to mix everything together. It can be like so hard, even also it can be so soft. You're gonna see how it's gonna look when I'm done. Gonna use a little bit to clean my hands. This is all good. We're not gonna throw away nothing. Everything is expensive these days. We have to be careful how to use. And the dough, the better the more you knit, the more it's gonna be smooth. I'm gonna leave a little bit. I'll be back. I let the dough to stand like 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna knit a little bit more. Okay, that's it. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit flour on the bottom. I'm gonna put the oil over. Going to cover, and let's stand like, I do like half hour or 15 minutes, but you can like let stand more, like more though it's standing, more it's like get, how to explain, like gummies. That way. But I don't like that. I like more like to be crispy, not like a gummy. Okay, that's it, guys. I wish you best and sending you a lot of love. Leave the like, comment, subscribe. Bye bye for now.